Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bitless Hacks and Tech, where we turn simple tech into smart hacks. Today, I'll show you how to turn your Android phone into a full PC setup. No root required, no money spent, just smart tools and tips. Let's begin. Part 1. What you need to turn your phone into a PC. You'll need any Android phone, Android 8 or newer, a monitor, TV, or laptop for display, a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, or USB with OTG cable, optional, Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot for some apps, no high-end device needed. Any decent phone with 3 GB RAM will work. Part 2. The secret now. The magic happens with these free apps. 1. Sentio Desktop or Lena Desktop UI. They give your phone a full PC-like interface. You get a desktop, start menu, file manager, just like Windows. 2. Microsoft Word, Excel, Chrome, and Gmail. Install these from the Play Store. You'll do almost everything a laptop can. 3. DeX mode for Samsung users. If you have a Samsung phone, enable Samsung DeX and plug into a monitor. It becomes a PC instantly. Now let's set up our Sentito desktop. When you open it for the first time, you'll see this. Key, tap settings, and tap show desktop. Now you get a desktop with icons. You can change its look too. Go to themes and choose from many cool ones. You even get wallpapers. My favorite is this wave. Changes color as you move the mouse. Cool, right? You also get a start menu and a taskbar. Click the start menu and you can see all your apps. You can pin them to the taskbar for quick access. Want to remove an app from here? Press the icon and drag and drop it out. Easy. There are also folders. Here you can make shortcuts of any app. You can even create new folders. This is awesome for keeping your desktop organized. Now open a file manager. Here, you can see the storage of your phone. Okay? You can access your pictures, videos, and music. Okay? You can even copy, paste, cut, and delete files like on a PC. Now click the settings gear here. You can change the look of the icons, set up multiple desktops, change the pointer style, and even the mouse sound. Okay, so you have the desktop ready. Now how to use it? Well, there are 3 ways to open apps on the desktop. 1. Launch them from the Start menu. 2. Click the icon on the taskbar. 3. Open them directly from the File Manager. Here, take a look at what all you can do on this desktop. Now, you can open Chrome and browse the internet like on a computer. You can open a new tab, go to your favorite website. You can even save the web page as a PDF and read it offline. How useful is that? You can also install extensions like you do on a normal Chrome browser. You can even use Chrome flags to customize your browsing experience. You can also use apps like Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint entirely free. You can create a new document, presentation, or spreadsheet and edit it like you would on a laptop. You can even save it on your desktop and edit it later. No more typing on your phone. Now you have a virtual PC, so you can write better and faster. You can even pair a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to have a full PC experience. But wait, you can do more. You can use apps like MX Player to watch videos on a big screen. Just connect your phone to a TV via USB or use screen mirroring. It's like having a private theater wherever you go. You can even play PC games with a keyboard and mouse. Just install an emulator and play games like Free Fire, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, and more. Alright, now let's talk about how to project your phone screen onto a monitor. There are 3 easy ways to do this. 1. If you have a smart TV, simply open the settings and look for Screen Mirroring or Smart View. Choose your phone and voila, you have a big screen. 2. You can also use a USB-C to HDMI cable and an adapter if your monitor supports it. Plug one end of the cable into your phone and the other end into the monitor, and you are good to go. 3. If all else fails, you can use wireless display apps like Skirky or AirDroidcast. Just download the app on your PC, and you are done. And finally, how to use this new PC. That's the best part. You can use it anywhere, anytime. Perfect for students who want to finish their assignments quickly, professionals who need to work on the go, or travelers who want a bigger screen for entertainment. So there you have it. By turning your Android phone into a PC, you unlock a world of possibilities. No more limitations, no more boundaries. All you need is a smartphone, and you're good to go. So that's it for today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please hit the like button. Also share this video with your friends who might find it useful. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Bitless Hacks and Tech. We have a ton of cool tricks and hacks coming up, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.